Welcome to Kamsiparts Automotive Limited. Today, we will be talking about car tire maintenance. What is a car tire? A tire is a ring-shaped component that surrounds a wheel's rim to transfer a vehicle's load from the axle through the wheel to the ground and to provide traction on the surface over which the wheel travels. The importance of tire maintenance. Regular tire maintenance is a vital aspect to ensuring the safety and optimal performance of your vehicle. By maintaining your tires, you not only prolong their lifespan, but also improve your car's handling, fuel efficiency, and overall ride quality. Furthermore, well-maintained tires help reduce the likelihood of accidents, which can save lives and reduce repair costs. 6 signs your car needs new tires. If your tires are overly worn, they will worsen the control of your car, give you less grip on the road, and increase the chance of aquaplaning. Your stopping distance is poorer when your tires are overly worn and could even result in a blowout. So, we've put together a checklist of 6 signs you should look out for that your tires are in need of replacing, so you won't need an expert to tell you it's time to change. 1. Tire tread depth. Your tires will need to meet legal requirements for them to be roadworthy. If you disregard these regulations and continue to drive with overly worn tires, this could result in points on your license or hefty fines. If you were to purchase a brand new car, the tread depth would be around 8 mm, but throughout its time, it will wear down. The legal limit for the depth of tread on each tire needs to have a minimum of 1.6 mm. So, when your tires are lower than 3 mm, you must get them booked in at your local tire garage. 2. Cracks on the sidewall. When you're checking your tires, you should be looking for any visible cracks. The cracks in the sidewall of the tire are a prior indication of a potential blowout, which is highly dangerous when traveling at speed. Cracks occur due to deterioration in the chemicals and oils in the rubber material the tires are made up of. 3. Your tires are over 5 years old. Tires have a lifespan which, if bought from new, will last around 5 years. After this time, the rubber compound begins to come apart, resulting in a high likelihood of cracks and blisters appearing on your tires and sometimes even blowouts. Even if they seem usable, it's still a good idea to get yourself a new set of tires. Another way you can tell it's time to replace your tires is by checking their mileage. If you have a look at the manufacturer's recommendations for how many miles they can do before they will need replacing. On average, tires will last for around 25,000 miles, however. This depends on your driving style and the car you drive. 4. Strange noises coming from your tires. We all know how concerning it is when you suddenly hear peculiar noises coming from your car. You must get your car checked out for any odd noises, especially when they're coming from your tires. A squeaking, whining or creaking sound is often an indication that you have a problem with your tires. These noises occur when a tire gets a puncture or starts to crack. The sound is produced when there is a change in air compression. You should not disregard this noise if you hear it, as it could result in a tire blowout. 5. Your car is vibrating. If you are noticing excessive vibration in your tires while driving, this is most likely a sign that there is a problem with your alignment and/or balancing. Tire vibration is not only irritating, but it can also affect your judgment significantly, and it may cause an accident. If you ignore the vibration and don't act upon it, your tires will begin to wear unevenly and excessively, resulting in an early tire replacement. 6. Bulges and blisters on your tire. In some cases, the outer surface of the tire will begin to weaken. Over time, as the tire continues to weaken, bulges or blisters can emerge from the rest of the surface. This weakened area may cause a sudden blowout, so if you notice anything unusual with your tire, it is vital to get your tires checked out immediately or even replaced. Tire replacement. Despite your best efforts, tires will eventually wear out and need to be replaced. Choose high-quality tires from a trusted supplier, such as Kamsiparts Limited, to ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity. That would be all for today. To get an original car part anywhere in Nigeria, please visit www.kamsiparts.com.